Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to import editable text from Adobe Illustrator into Adobe After Effects. First, when you open your Illustrator file, you need to make sure it's set to RGB color mode. For this, go to the File menu, click on Document Color Mode. Here, if it says CMYK, change it to RGB. After that, you need to make sure that your elements are in separate layers. As you can see here, we have two layers, one for the text and the other for the background. Now, to take this Illustrator file into After Effects as editable text, you need to export it. Go to File, click on Export, then Export As. Give a name to the file and change the file type to PSD or Photoshop file. In this pop-up, make sure that the color model is RGB. Now, the important part, make sure that the right layer, preserve text editability, and maximum editability options are checked. Without these, it will not work. After you are done, click on OK. Now, close Illustrator and open After Effects. In the Media pool, press Ctrl+I to open the Import menu and select the PSD file you just saved. When you import it, make sure you choose Composition Retain Layer Sizes, not Footage, and check the Editable Layer Styles option. After importing, double-click on the composition to open it in the timeline. Our text has appeared in the composition, but we can fix it in a moment. When you bring it into the timeline, you'll notice two layers. The second one is for the background, and the first one is for the text. Double-click the first composition. Here you can see the text file, but at this stage it's still not editable. To fix that, right-click on the file, click on Create, then choose Convert to Editable Text. Here you might not see anything at first, but when I change the text color, you can see that the text is visible now. Now you can place the text wherever you want. You can also select and change the text, change its font, and more. And that's how you can import editable text from Illustrator to After Effects. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.